All right, people, how are y'all doing? Welcome in. Much love, Trav here. We are going to do a market analysis on share my positions with you. So it took me a little while to get comfortable in my positions. And this is what I have in my paper, and my live account is similar. So first, I just want to show some caution where we've seen some failed breakouts recently. JP225 had a failed breakout at all-time highs. Australian market pulling back. Some of these are retesting, and we cannot say they failed, but Amazon had a failed breakout at all-time highs. If we look at Meta had a failed breakout at all-time highs and actually came all the way down and is giving a potential buy. So I want to be a little bit cautious. So the past couple days have been a really sharp sell-off. Also gold. Um, the Russell's interesting, where it took that high and rejected. Where it might make sense to actually advance the stop on the Russell to right here. I might do that. Leave it alone for now. Well, this one's too old, so I'm supposed to ignore it, I think. Um, yeah, gold as well. Um, kind of failing at the all-time high here. Could go higher, but showing signs of danger. And then what else do we have? So I'm just using the Market Timing Pro system though. I'm in longs on these. I have this short that I'm gonna get out of. It was stupid, and I'm gonna fix it. But I'm in a couple positions. And yeah, crypto is what's interesting. Where it's like, should I short alts here? Should I be long? We're kind of come up and fail at this area. And the thing that's telling me the story here is the funding rates, which are still very low. And if we look, a lot of these, there's persistent negative funding. A lot of people are selling and shorting here. Bitcoin and ETH, not quite as much, but it doesn't look like a safe place to short the altcoin market. So it's something that I toyed with, and I decided against. Zcash is one of the ones that I would be interested in selling, but it has a problem of being showing negative funding. I don't want to short anything with negative funding because it's just the odds aren't really in my favor so much. Um, there have been some sharp moves down, but I don't know that that's a trend or just a pullback. Um, there's some of them have already pulled back quite a bit, so I kind of want to leave them alone. Popcat, yeah. Aave. I would prefer to short. I mean, some of them are setting up correctly, but I would prefer to short when I know the funding's in my favor. XRP. It's hard to say it even would have made a good sell because again, we'll look back later in the future. Did it provide a nice downtrend? Because for me, one day is not enough to be profitable. I'm not selling Ohm up here. Just trying to stick to my main setups. A lot of things are red on the day. There's some things that are green. And yeah, I'm just, to me, looking at Bitcoin, the key is closing over this, which as of now looks good. And ETH looks reasonably strong as well. It's green on the day. Um, I'm just going to continue to look for longs as long as I feel it makes sense to. And I would be also looking for buys down in here in this section, but I don't know that we need to go down there. Bitcoin and ETH are showing a lot of relative strength compared to these other markets where, yes, we had some red days, but small red days. So I want to stay in my longs here, and yeah, see what happens from there. So let us let us roll. If it moves too much against me, maybe I cut him. Yeah, I really don't like the market today, honestly. It's just feels very dangerous, but kind of just want to leave it for now and um, let my crypto Bitcoin ETH longs run and see if we can't make all-time highs. I mean, we're halfway in. It makes sense to struggle here. And yeah, pay attention to this. So happy trading. Hope you find that useful. Sticking with my systems. I deviated on gold, but the market's going to reopen, and I'm going to correct it. I'm going to get out of my short and have my long where my stop's supposed to be. So yeah, the daily looks fucked. All right, happy trading, y'all. Much love. Peace.